Hello everyone, Asim himself Chokobilag. Welcome to yet another awesome video about cryptocurrency and the online space. And today I will show you guys how to get my free ebook. Okay, most of my ebooks I've written about, I have about 2 books I've written. I have another one that I'm planning for that is about cryptocurrency. It's going to be a series of cryptocurrency, talking about how to raise money through cryptocurrency, how to become a cryptocurrency trader and understand how to trade cryptocurrencies like TMT, which is the MAT token, formerly known as TBC MAT token, because such cryptocurrencies have potential, and when you trade it and actually putting your back behind it to market it, you'll be making like 50% to 100% increase in profit. Okay, so but I'll be giving out my ebooks, and this is one of the ebooks I'll be giving out, okay, to people. Okay, all you have to do, all you have to do is just follow the instructions that I'm going to share in this video on how to get it, because it's not like I'm sending the ebook to your email. What you're going to do is actually go and get it here through the link I'm going to give in the description below. Okay, you can comment in the comment section to get my free ebook, or if you have apps like the Billion Coin app, or you have apps like the Mat app, which is the shopping app, my own global shopping app, or you have like Initiative Q app designed by Fordmat. Okay, you'll be getting notification with the download link for this for with the link for you to get this free ebook. Okay, so the title of the book says Step by Step Guide How to Launch Your Helping Hands International Business. I wrote this book when I was still active with Helping Hands International. Okay, and the reason I ran every single step stated there translates to how to get customers online. Okay, whether you like it or not, network marketing is where you can get the basic, your strength, and become very strong marketer. Okay, not just a salesperson, because sales is now, marketing positions you so that you can get future sales like mo- next tomorrow, day before tomorrow, what's it called, a month from now, a year from now, 2 years from now. Marketing does that, and there are so many ways things about marketing. You can go ahead and do advertising, is a form of marketing, but when you do this form of marketing that relates with network marketing, you're also selling yourself, because people buy you first before they buy your product. So before you go into advertising, you people have to buy into you. Okay, you can advertise yourself online. There are so many people doing it on Instagram, but this book will guide you on a very cheap method, though it might take your time, but it's cheap. Okay, and given that we are all in the self isolation stage, given what is happening with the COVID-19, this is a great time for you to spend your time instead of being idle and watching Netflix and chilling, or watching movies, or burning your data. You should be learning the skills that will help you. And this is one of the books that will help you. The next I'm going to share is going to be about how to make money through ebook. Okay, so without much ado, let me just show you guys how to get get your own free ebook. So what you do when you get here is you scroll down, already get your free ebook, no price, just zero. So you click add to cart. Okay, when you click add to cart, okay, you see this notification on top that says view cart. Now when you click view cart, okay, when you click view cart, it takes you to the cart. All you have to do is just click proceed to checkout. All right, so proceed to checkout. So you just put in your information. So I'm just go ahead and put in my own information just to give you guys, basically just put your information. Okay, put your information, everything is zero, then just click place order. That's it. Now when you click place order, okay, when you click place order, this is what happens. It's going to give you a download link, okay, a download link to download